What's up everyone, it's Ryan from the Ryan and Wyatt YouTube channel, and today I have something a little bit different for you. Here in front of me I have a very cheap gaming keyboard, and I'm basically going to review it and test it out and basically say, can it be used for gaming? So we picked up this keyboard from TJ Maxx for only $12.99. It's a Broadsword gaming keyboard from Level Up. So when you flip it over to the back, we have another picture of the keyboard, and it says Level Up Broadsword Gaming Keyboard. LED backlit keys offer the responsiveness of a mechanical keyboard with the comfort of a membrane keyboard. So here we're dealing with a membrane keyboard that I guess is styled to look like a mechanical keyboard. I'm not really sure if that's what they're going for. A multimedia button provides easy control of music, volume, and more, simplifying the user experience. You know, you always want to simplify the experience. Durable keycaps and switches provide millions of satisfying clicks and consistent performance for any kind of game. So it sounds like that they're trying to make this universal and very user-friendly for any kind of games you're going to be playing on your PC. So let's get into the box and see what's on the inside. So we have two tabs right here. So once you do that, we have the keyboard laying upside down. So I'm going to put this box off to the side because there's nothing else in there, and take a look at the keyboard. Here we have the keyboard wrapped in plastic. I'm going to take the plastic off, and right away I can already see it's made to look like a mechanical keyboard, but doesn't actually have mechanical switches. So they're just going more for that gaming look, I think. Once we have it out of the plastic, we have a USB cable. So this is a wired gaming keyboard. So when I first press the keys, they're very quiet. Definitely tell it's a membrane keyboard. A regular typing experience isn't bad, so I will plug this into my gaming PC later and maybe play a game of Fortnite with it just to see if it's any good. But as of right now, I can definitely tell it's a cheap keyboard, but I mean, for $12.99 I don't really think you can get too picky. As of right now, it just looks like your standard gaming keyboard with mechanical switches. That's not as loud as a gaming keyboard obviously, but very quiet, and doesn't seem to have a very bad typing experience. So let's plug this into the computer and see how it works. Okay guys, so I have Wyatt there behind me. We hopped on to a match of Fortnite creative mode, and I have the keyboard connected to my computer, so we are going to just mess around in creative mode and fight each other, and I'm basically just going to test out the keyboard and see how it works for me. Although I saw it light up on the box, I have not yet figured out how to actually turn on the lights. I have it plugged in and it's working, but either it doesn't have lights or I haven't figured out how to turn them on yet. So let's start playing. Alright, so this keyboard isn't bad so far. I can definitely tell it's a membrane. I'm more used to mechanical keyboards when it comes to gaming, and overall I probably prefer mechanical keyboards when it comes to gaming, but this is doable. I can, you know, it's usable. Is it great? No, but it's definitely usable. this keyboard, and this may just be a personal preference, but I tend to press harder on the keys when I'm playing a game like this, and for that reason, I prefer mechanical keyboards for gaming over membrane. But like I said earlier, it's not bad and it is doable. It's just not ideal.